So our video for today, nag-start ta sa ato ang weekly briefing, and ato nang gipaila diri mga katrupa no ang name sa ato ang Regional Annual Inspection Chairman Colonel Ricky Parcon, no? General Staff Corps Infantry Philippine Army. So again, atong gisugdan niya siya sa briefing because our schedule tactical inspection is on May 18, 2024.
CDG is Philippine Army Camp Bermeo Down in Campilaran City Bohol on 10th of March 2024.
Atong briefing mga katropa na human na siya more or less 10:30. So 4 AM prepare na po ta sa jogging.
Early in the morning till the rising sun. Early in the morning till the rising sun. Running all day till the running's done. Running all day till the running's done. But who we are they would like to know. But who we are they would like to know. Hey, hey, people wanna know. Hey, hey, people wanna know. Strike that foot, don't turn around. Strike that foot, don't turn around. Make them sure they hear that sound. Make them sure they hear that sound. We are troopers on the battleground. We are troopers on the battleground. We're some troopers on the battleground. We're some troopers on the battleground. The striking force that knows no fear. The striking force that knows no fear. Bring me back to the railroad track. Bring me back to the railroad track. Put a knife in my head. Put a knife in my head. I wanna be a leaderman. Put a sniper in my head. Put a sniper in my head. I wanna be a sniperman. I wanna be a sniperman. Put a rifle in my head. Put a rifle. Now I'm wearing combat shoes. Alam niyo ba? Kamahani mo. Na magaling sa jantingan. Oo, doy. Ikaw na ta. Left to the left, left right left. Left to the left, to the left, to the left. Left to the left, to the left, to the left. Hindi makauwi. Left to the left, to the left, right left. Left to the left, to the left. Left to the left, to the left, to the left. I'm a lonely ranger. Far away from home. Far away from parents. In a sweetheart home. Darling, if I die. Darling, if I die. You can marry again. You can marry again. 5 years. Now I'm done at 5 AM. I used to it in Jollibee. Bring me back to the railroad track. Bring me back to the railroad track. Put a rifle in my head. Put a rifle in my head. I wanna be a rifleman. I wanna be a rifleman. Put a sniper in my head. Put a sniper in my head. I wanna be a sniperman. I wanna be a sniperman. Hey ha, hey ha, hey ha, hey ha, go, 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 go. Left to the left, to the left, right left. Left to the left, to the left, right left. Left to the left, to the left, to the left. Left to the left, to the left, to the left. Mama, mama, can't you see? Mama, mama, can you say what did army done? Army, army, Army. Umaga pang nabakal. Umaga pang nabakal. Navy. Lumulot ang nabakal. Lumulot ang nabakal. Air Force. Lumulupad na bakal. Lumulupad na bakal. Arotise. Kumakain ng bakal. Kumakain ng bakal. Left to the left side. Left to the left, right leg. Left to the left. Left to the left. Take your alignment. Take your distance. Take new Sibare. Okay ka ba si Bade? I want to go home. Take go home. Walang pamasahe. Magdadaging na lang kami. Nandito na. Dalingiria. Nandito na. Ay mali. Malayo pa.
So misulod ta sa atong nindot og hinlo kayong ubal sa BVT Sport Complex mga katrupa. No, so kay schedule na pod nato sa practice skeletal formation. Again, this is part sa ato ang preparation sa atong tactical inspection. So need ta mag-practice og kanang puro officer lang. Kay sa Saturday ato nang isalang ang mga officer sa kadete. At least sa atong skeletal formation kahibaw na sila mga officer kung unsa ilang buhaton. So man itong purpose. Nako nabantayan diring dapita ba. Sige og practice sa ceremonial. Dapat usa diri kay gakuan sa tan-awon be nagunsa ni. Wow.
No.
Dahil.